Ever wondered what the future holds for the cryptocurrency landscape, specifically Tezos? As we navigate through the digital age, cryptocurrencies are proving to be more than just a passing trend. They're rapidly becoming an integral part of our global financial ecosystem, and one name that's been making waves in this bustling arena is Tezos. Tezos, a self-amending cryptographic ledger, is a promising player in the market, making strides with its unique approach to blockchain technology. Its protocol allows for modifications to be made without any hard forks, creating a streamlined and efficient system that's captured the attention of investors worldwide. Now let's delve into the numbers. At the start of this year, Tezos was priced at a modest $1.02. Fast forward a few months to the present day, and it's now valued at $1.26. That's a solid 24% increase. A testament to the potential and resilience of Tezos in a volatile market. But the question on everyone's lips is, what does the future hold for Tezos? Well, the forecasts are certainly intriguing. The experts are predicting some impressive figures with a steady increase in value over the next decade. Could Tezos be the next big thing in the world of cryptocurrencies? But of course, as with any investment, it's important to remember that forecasts are just that. Predictions, they're not set in stone. The crypto market is influenced by a multitude of factors, and it's always crucial to do your own research and stay informed. That being said, the future of Tezos looks promising, and it will be fascinating to see how it evolves in the coming years. From its innovative protocol to its growing value, Tezos is certainly a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the world of Tezos? Stay tuned to discover the forecasted prices of Tezos from 2024 to 2034. So what are the predictions for Tezos in the next couple of years? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get interesting. As we stand today, the 23rd of March, 2024, Tezos is priced at a modest $1.26. Now, that's not too shabby, considering it started the year at a slightly lower $1.02. But here's where the roller coaster begins to climb. By the end of this very year, forecasts predict Tezos to reach $2. That's right, nearly double its value in less than a year, but the ride doesn't stop there. As we move into 2025, Tezos continues its steady ascent. By the middle of the year, it's expected to hit $2.50. Just imagine, in a year and a half, Tezos could potentially double its price from where it stands today. Now let's take a moment to really grasp what this means. By the close of 2024, we're looking at a year-to-year change of 114%. Let that sink in for a moment. A 114% increase in value. That's not just a little bump in the road, that's a veritable mountain of growth. Impressive growth, isn't it? But that's just the beginning. What about the longer-term forecast? Let's fast forward to 2028. At this point, we're looking at a 4-year jump from our previous discussion of 2024 and 2025. By 2028, Tezos is projected to have continued its steady climb, reaching a noteworthy $3. Now that might not seem like a huge leap from the $2.50 predicted for mid-2025, but in the world of cryptocurrencies, stability is a treasure. In an industry characterized by volatility, this kind of consistent growth is a positive sign. As we move into 2029, the upward trajectory of Tezos doesn't slow down. In fact, the price is predicted to rise to $3.50. That's a 16.67% increase from the previous year. What's interesting here is the sustained growth pattern. Year after year, Tezos seems to defy the odds, steadily growing and avoiding the dramatic peaks and valleys that we often see in other cryptocurrencies. And what about 2030? Well, if these predictions hold true, we're looking at a Tezos price of $4. Again, we see a steady increase, this time of 14.29%. It's these incremental gains that really highlight the potential of Tezos as a long-term investment. It's not about quick returns or overnight success, but rather a slow and steady race that could lead to substantial returns over time. As we wrap up our look at the end of the decade, it's important to note that these are just predictions. The world of cryptocurrency is influenced by a myriad of factors, from global economic trends to technological advancements, and predicting the future is never an exact science. But based on the data we have now, it seems like the future is bright for Tezos. But what about beyond 2030? Let's take a leap into the future, to 2033 and 2034. As we venture forward, the landscape of the cryptocurrency market continues to shift and change, and Tezos is no different. The future looks bright, with Tezos price predictions suggesting a steady climb in the coming years. By 2033, it's anticipated that Tezos will reach a price point of $4.50. Now that's a significant increase from where we stand today, and it's a testament to the potential longevity and stability of Tezos. But the upward trend doesn't stop there. As we move into 2034, the forecasts suggest Tezos will hit the $5 mark. Yes, you heard it right, $5. That's quite the milestone. Now let's put these numbers into perspective. If we rewind to 2024, the price of Tezos was just a fraction of what it's predicted to be in the coming decade. By 2031, Tezos is expected to reach $4.08. That's a staggering 224% increase from its price in 2024. This percentage may sound astronomical, but remember, we're talking about a span of nearly a decade here. Cryptocurrencies are renowned for their volatility, but these predictions suggest a steady, consistent upward trajectory for Tezos over the next 10 years. Of course, these are just predictions, and the actual future of Tezos, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to many factors, including market trends, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and global economic conditions. But based on data and analysis, the outlook for Tezos is optimistic. And there you have it, the future of Tezos looks promising with steady growth predicted for the next decade.